Elderberry syrup, a natural remedy cherished for centuries. Let's delve into the wonders of this ancient elixir. What is elderberry syrup? It's a sweetened concoction made from the berries of the elder tree. Making elderberry syrup is simple. Start with fresh or dried elderberries. Add water and simmer until the liquid reduces by half. Strain the mixture, discarding the solids. Add honey or another sweetener, and store in a glass bottle. Where can you find elderberries? They grow on the elder tree, commonly found in North America and parts of Europe. Historically, elderberry syrup has been used for centuries, with records dating back to ancient Egypt. But what symptoms can it help with? Boosting the immune system. Reducing the duration of colds and flu. Anti-inflammatory properties. Rich in antioxidants. Improving respiratory health. Elderberry syrup, nature's gift to boost health and wellness. Embrace its benefits and enjoy its delightful taste.